Brookhaven. We're gonna open Brookhaven. Mommy, dear, don't use that. Don't. And this is me. We need our avatar become Joy. Search about Joy. We need the secret in Brookhaven. If we search Catnap, we have Catnap enter. Bro, I saw that! This is it! Yan nga, guys! Hindi siya talaga naglalako. Or we're gonna do this. Catnap, do you wanna sleep? Catnap, do you see your dreams? Catnap, I'm gonna eat you in. Catnap, you're me. Rich Catnap. Adult Catnap. I'm adult Catnap, bro. And first that Catnap goes, he needs 10 and that. Wait, we have to tangle this. Bro, bro, excuse me. Okay. Excuse me, say excuse me. Why did you say excuse me? Oh, I need your Karen, can I ask? Bro, ask. Bro, can I? No, they are girlfriends. They are boyfriends. They are boyfriends. They are boyfriends. I'm going to adopt you. Why did you kiss me, bro? Nakisa. Bro, get out. I don't need the has been robbed. Oh no, guys. Oh no, we need the car. Today we're gonna play to everyone. Let's put him to the jail. Guys, put him to the jail. Because you spend money, then you're Gucci. And yan. Look at this. Bro, I'm not a bacon. Guys, wait. Let's check Slender. Well, let's find our friend's house because ngayon, guys. Uy! Nakita niyo, guys, si Chucky! Chucky! Ito si Chucky, ah. Chucky, you're so funny in your head to your toes. Skitty, hop. Mga legends. Patay! Ay! Takbo, guys! Takbo! Sobrang nakakatakot yun. Sino naman ikaw? Bakit kakalbo? Babae ka ba? So, we need this. Eh! Paano mo nagawa yan? Eh! Sumalamig. Eh! Ang galing mo mag-drive. Galing mo umayaw. Galing mo sumayaw. Galing mo umayaw. Tayo'y mag-ocho-ocho-och. Ocho-ocho-och. Ocho-ocho-och. Yan ba yung friend ko na mawala? Kaya yung friend ko na mawala. Yan. Wait. I-chase natin siya. Chase natin siya, guys. Galing ko naman mag-drive. Parang ang galing ko mag-drive. Tingnan mo, guys. Galing. Tayo, guys. Magaganit tayo. For minutes, must change. Okay. Kailangan natin ng house na parang ganito. Yay! Kung sino na ba dito? To everyone laughing. Ito yung bahay ko. Dapat walang pumunta dito. Walang pupunta dito. At saka ito din yung money ko. At saka walang pupunta dito. Walang pupunta dito. At saka sinong din?
Gulat ka?
Paano yan, guys? Kumalaw siya. Tanggal muna natin yung result. Kalakter natin. Kung naman kasi papapuli. Ginulat pa nga ako. Ginulat naman ako. Wait, no.
Who's calling?
Kay nanay, kala ng Ma'am Kirsten
Are you sure it's mine?
Hindi sa akin to, sa laptop ni nanay. Kala ni Ma'am Kirsten, nandito siya. Kinukol niya ito eh. Kala niya kasi. Hoy! Go. Watch me. Go. Sino nga yung house ko? Yung house ko nawawala. Sino yung hinahanap ko na house? Baban ko to. So yung baban, we're gonna ban 100 peoples. Saan ka pupunta? Baban kita. Ban. Laban na siya. Pero hindi pa natin mababan. Yan pa yung car natin. I-receive. Kailangan mo din i-receive. Bakit mo kailangan i-receive? Oo nga, ganyan. Yan yung tamang mag-close. Yan, closed na. Yan na yung sasakyan ko. Tapos,